Friends, welcome to a new tutorial on After Effects. Today we'll be understanding the text animation in After Effects. So let's create a new project. Click on this new composition. We'll select the HD mode, that is 1920px by 1080px. Rest options you can keep it as it is and then click on OK. Now you will get this screen. This color you can change from black to any other color. For the time being, I'm keeping it as black. Select the horizontal type tool. Click on any area in the center and just type text. And for now, I'm just typing understanding text animations in After Effects. Or we'll just keep it as understanding text animation so that we'll get to see this in properly centered position and a big font. Let's go for this one. I'm keeping it around 98px. Center it from align options. Okay. So now all you have to do is select this layer, right click on it, or else just open this further and then here you'll get text. Next to that, there is an animate tool. Click on this animate and then you'll get to see this many different types of animations. In that, select the position and again click on it and select opacity. So if you'll go down, you'll see this title is Animator 1. We can rename it to anything. For now, I'm just keeping it as text animation effect, just so that we'll understand it better. Now, I'm just changing this. This is X and this is Y. So when you on the X axis, it will move horizontally. I'll just show you. So if you'll see this, -20 is going on left hand side, and if you increase this to positive value, it will go on right hand side. So this is your horizontal movement. Similarly, if you want a vertical movement, you can go to y-axis and this will go to positive value will go down and negative value will take it to top. All right. So for now, I'm just keeping it 0 on X as well as 0 on Y. Okay. Now, okay, let's do something. We'll make this on left hand side. We'll keep it as -30 on x-axis and opacity you reduce it to 0%. Then if you go to 0%, it will not be seen. Then go to this range selector, open it, and you'll get to see these three things: start, end, offset. So if you see this, just click on this timer icon. This will add a keyframe. So we are on the 0-second keyframe. Move it slightly, maybe few seconds ahead, and then just increase this value of offset to, if you slowly increase the value, you'll get to see this text is revealing. All the text is coming, entire text is coming properly. And if you go till 100%, the all the letters will be revealed. So if you'll go back to 0 and then click on your space bar to see the animation, you'll get this. If you want to reduce this, so what happens is generally when you click on the space bar, this goes beyond the last keyframe and it stays there. If you want this to repeat continuously, what you can do is you can trim your work area end. If you see this green bar, above this green bar, there is a gray bar and there is a blue color icon over here. Just trim just select and drag it towards left. And wherever you want, you can keep it. So I'm keeping it at the last keyframe so that it will automatically restart. When it ends, it again starts from the starting. Okay. So now, if you'll see, this is a very normal basic animation. Each letter is coming properly. Similarly, if you want to do some effect over here, so what you can do is right now it's coming from left hand side. If you want it to come from, let's say, from top to bottom or bottom to top, so just increase or decrease this y value in the positions, and automatically you'll see this is coming from down. So if you are not able to view it clearly, increase the value further, let's say 100 or maybe 55, and decrease, make this x position as 0. Okay, so now if you'll see, it's coming from down. Is it visible? If you want, we can increase this to 5 seconds so it comes slowly and you will be able to see it clearly. I'm also increasing the work area. All right, so let me show it to you again. Hope this is even better to see and feel the effect. Okay, so in same way, you can also change the position to top, which is in negative. So minus 50 will make it come from top. Okay. If you don't want each letter to come, you can also make it as words. For that, what you can do is just go to you'll see this advanced feature inside text animation effect. That is our animate first effect which we selected. Inside text animation effect, go to advanced, and there you will see this based on characters. So instead of characters, just click on this and it will take you to different options. So we'll select words. Now, if you'll see this animation, this will come like single word. And similar to the previous thing, because it was letters, it was coming faster and we have increased the seconds. So we can reduce this seconds for words. 1 second. I'll take the keywords to probably 3 or 2 seconds. And now if I'll play, this will be even faster. So like this, you can create text animations, very basic thing. To understand it better, it's good you explore these different types of effects and different types of options inside it. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it.